Here is a segment AB and a point C. I would like to construct a line through point C parallel to AB. To do so, I'll tap the Parallel tool. A preview appears of a segment and a line parallel to the segment through a point. The segment is glowing. Tap or drag to place it. I want to construct a line that's parallel to AB, so I'll tap AB to attach the two segments. Now the point is glowing. I want to construct my parallel through point C, so I'll tap point C to attach the 2 points. My tool is complete. I have constructed a line parallel to segment AB through point C. In this second example, I want to construct a line through point F parallel to line DE. The same method applies. I'll tap the line and then the point. My tool is complete. I've constructed a line parallel to DE through point F.